dear friends, Wooden Railway Adventures, Episode 5, Edward and the Freight Cars. Edward is a really responsible destination engine on the island of Sulu. A destination means that he's smarter, reliable, useless, the bestest engine on Sulu. He knows everything about the railway. He knows all things that when engines have problems. One day, Sir John came in to talk with him. Edward, you're going to take this scrap car and take it to Mayfleet Den Wellsworth. Yes, sir. Well, pull down line. I know. He didn't know that the trucks were going to cause trouble today. He didn't like trucks in his road. He thinks that that's so bad that they're going to do this thing. Okay, guys, I'm going to keep an eye on you, and you better not watch. And you better not do it. Also, Edward, look at the truck. You're lying to the truck. Oh my, yeah, you are. Okay, we believe you, but don't. Do not do it. If I say no, then you don't do it. Fine. Okay. They laughed at each other, but they lied. They were not going to listen to his. They only listened to their bosses' rules on the railway. And then I really have to look on the line. You can't look back and then you'll crash. The truck's please. Yeah. Wait, you do not. The light blue and the dark blue were naughty, but the gray one was responsible. He knew what to do. Die. I'm not gonna let you do it. They pushed Ed down. What's happening? Whoa, Philip, what's happening? He rushed toward Mayfleet Station, and then one passenger stopped. Edward applied his brakes. The other scrapper applied the brakes. The caboose applied its brakes. But the two ones did not. They kept pushing and pushing. The guard manager tried to make it stop. Now, it was on. I can't stop. Help! Rushed down the line. Big City engine, Billy, clear the line. Clear the line. That's been trouble. Start it up. The turntable is looking right at me. And so I will rush through. When inside the turntable, one through the and roasted it under and collapsed it down the line, and he swooped it off. And then he raised up Frankie's arm and then falls out. Ow! Man, you guys shouldn't do that! Except for you, Scrappy. I was trying to tell them that's how it's going to be in trouble. Oh yeah? Sometimes I can hear you. Sometimes I was right there watching you guys. Uh-oh. Gordon, you okay? I think so. And they broke my boiler. Ow. Uh-oh. Could you speak? No. Are you sure you're okay? Yes, I'm sure. Just get the breakdown for your Rocky. Yeah, the soda. Heard about this. I'm young soda. And so stay until soon enough. Jordan, we're not. And then it started. It's got it. I got it. You, how could you do that? You want to break from the boiler? We didn't do this. You did? Didn't. Well, you pushed an old engine into that turntable? We didn't know you were old. Oh yeah? I took you once and I told you about how well. And how can you break me apart? Well, we're sorry. And now, thanks to the truck, Edward can't be out for 17 months. It wasn't Edward's fault. It was the truck. Thanks to the truck, they didn't be somewhere they hated. I'm scared. We're scared. So, Edward can't do anything. So Charlie did his trucks and goods trains, freight cars and goods trains down the line with Duck on the island Sodor, and Murdoch and Toby took his passengers. What about the truck? Well, at least they learned their lesson to push them on all legs off the line. They got to be grounded. But they would never get up. I think they should use their horrible, terrible, no good, very bad thing on the other side. I think that they have to learn a lesson. Don't you?